Welcome children, we'll continue with the lesson. Do you want to play football 2, part 2, and we'll finish off the lesson. So in the last video we have started section 2. So in section 2, what did you come across? When they were going back home, a lady was walking in front of them. Suddenly a cyclist, a man riding on the cycle, snatched away the lady's purse, purse, and rided the cycle fast. So what did Nidhi, Monica and other children, Rujika, Sonali, Meghna and all, ran at the back of the man. So when all were shouting and running, that unnerved means bejarilaki, that man, unnerved here made him nervous. And his cycle wobbled as he tried to, suddenly a scooter came in front. So as he was about to avoid a scooter coming from the opposite direction, it tilted dangerously and then it fell. So suddenly he was nerved. So what happened? A scooter was coming, so he couldn't avoid the scooter. Suddenly he fell down. They were on him at once. All the girls jumped on him. The man had no chance. Passerby helped too. The purse was given back to its owner and the thief handed over to the police. So the girls took the purse and gave to the lady and they handed this man to the police. Now we'll come to section 3. It was assembly. The next day there was a school assembly. In school the next day, the principal stood in front of the mic. The principal, she cleared her throat. I have a special announcement to make. So what did the principal tell? I have a special announcement to make. 2 students of our school performed a very brave act. That's what the principal announced. 2 students performed, done a very brave act. And that is Monica and Nidhi saved the lady, isn't it? How the lady was, because she got the purse back from that man, from the thief. So that brave act, who have done, that is Monica and Nidhi. Together with some other girls, they caught a purse snatcher. This purse tattiparikkunna aalil ninnu purse pidichu kittiyena parayunnathu, together with some other girls, that is Meghna, Ruji and all. Give them a big hand. Give them a big hand means to clap. Everyone, Monica and Nidhi, would you too like to tell us all how it happened? So principal is welcoming. That is welcoming that Nidhi and to the stage to narrate the story, that what had happened. The 2 of them stepped on to the stage. Monica smiled. Well, ma'am, we were going home after a game of football in the park. Park the football കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമ്മൾ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് പോവായിരുന്നു. Monica and Nidhi told their story exactly as it had happened. എന്ത് നടന്നു അതേമാതിരി she spoke in front of the mic. Everyone burst into a cheer when it ended. Attention everyone, said the principal. We are all very proud of our 2 brave students. We are all very proud of our 2 brave students. Who are those 2 brave students? Monica and Nidhi. And this advice is particularly for those of you who aren't keen on sports. So principal പറയുന്നത്, because they are talented in sports, they are able to do this activity. അതുകൊണ്ടല്ലേ അവർക്ക് വേഗം ഓടാനൊക്കെ പറ്റിയത് at the back of the cyclist. If you play any game regularly, it will teach you to think fast. കണ്ട ഏത് ഗെയിം പഠിച്ചാലും it will teach you to think fast. It will also make you physically stronger and swifter. കണ്ട വേഗതയും healthy ഒക്കെ ആക്കും, physically healthy. She paused for a moment. She paused means stopped for a moment, then said slowly, girls, don't commonly play football, but maybe playing it helped Monica and Nidhi. because football culture അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്പോർട്സ് കളിക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കും മോണിക്കനെയും നിധിനെയും സഹായിച്ചത് ഇത്രയും വേഗം പിന്നാലെ ഓടിയിട്ട് ആ പേഴ്സ് തിരിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ. Become more agile. More agile means to make them quick and easy. Gave them the confidence to tackle a thief. കണ്ടോ, ടാക്കിൾ എ തീഫ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആ തീഫിനിൽ നിന്ന് പേഴ്സ് പിടിച്ച് കൊടുത്തില്ല ലേഡിക്ക്, അതാണ്. ഷി ടേൺ ടു ദ 2 girls and said, and maybe Miss and I will work out a plan to introduce football in our school very soon. കണ്ടോ, അപ്പോൾ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൾ പറയുന്നത് ഇപ്പം ഇതിന് ശേഷം ഇവർ ശരിക്കും ഫുട്ബോൾ പുറത്തുനിന്നാണ് കളിച്ചത് അല്ലേ, ടീമൊക്കെ പുറത്താണ് ഫോം ചെയ്തത്. പക്ഷെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൾ അന്നേരം ശേഷം എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്, മിസ് ആൻഡ് ദ ഗെയിംസ് ടീച്ചർ ആൻഡ് ഐ വിൽ വർക്ക് ഔട്ട് എ പ്ലാൻ to introduce football in our school very soon. അതാണല്ലോ മോണിക്കൻ്റെ ഡ്രീം. ഇപ്പോൾ ഫുട്ബോൾ നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിൽ വേഗത്തിൽ തന്നെ ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന പറയുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് മോണിക്ക ആൻഡ് നിധീസ് ടേൺ ടു ചിയർ നൗ. ദേ ആർ വെരി ഹാപ്പി ആൻഡ് ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ് ദ റെസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ സ്കൂൾ ജോയിൻഡ് ഇൻ. കണ്ടോ, ബാക്കി എല്ലാവരും ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തു. സോ ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ദ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ told them or promised them to start a football team immediately in their school. So that's what we finished with that lesson, children. Now on page 32, match the columns to complete the sentence about the story. That I'll do it and send to you all as pic. And true or false also there is, that also I'll do it and I'll send the pic, and along with that I'll send you the question answers. Thank you, children.